education, consultation, and training. It is not every day that you see a project that really listens to the needs of the young people and equip them with the tools to face real-world challenges. Alalahi is more than just a program. It's a lifeline, a guide, and a strong reminder that our youth deserve to be heard, to be informed, and to be protected. Congratulations to everyone behind this amazing initiative. We are all rooting for the success of Alalahi and the bright future it will help to build in the future. May Alalahi serve as a lasting impact in the lives of the Ilonggo youth and a model for communities across the country to emulate. Keep pushing forward, Iloilo. The CPO community assures you its 100% support. Padayon.
Thank you so much, Attorney Aida.